development in the Camera Lucida project. We came upon some rather significant surprises not only for ourselves, but also for the scientific community. Namely, because of the fact that instead of working with glass, as the former case, we decided to work with plexi so that we could insert the transducers directly into the chamber, so they're in contact with the liquid itself. In doing so, we can really focus the sound waves in ways that we did not believe were possible. We can create what we presume to be some sort of sonoluminescent holography. We can create spherical shapes and spirals in the center, and sometimes we can, if we're very lucky in the tuning, we can create a sphere within a sphere.
The sonoluminescence is created by ultrasound, so when you have a steady signal, you will have a much more steady picture. And when you really change the ultrasound, that kind of
exactly. I mean,
play ultrasound, you really change the figures. So it's much more exciting. So when we discovered we can do that,
19th century or even earlier,
because before it was much easier, we just turned on the composition and it plays by itself. But it was like very slight. You could really see when the beats like on and off, volume on and off, but that was it. You cannot really work with shapes, because the shapes are created by interference. You're kind of looking at this parallel dimension of events, and all this heat doesn't hit the water. It's like happening in this.
You can put your hand in it. There are different theories about what's happening. It's not any kind of electrical charge whatsoever that is being distributed in the liquid. It's all pure sound waves. So to get that kind of powerful high frequency sound, remember, the higher the frequency, the more amplitude you need behind it. We're dealing here with a kilovolt and a half, which is really a lot for a piezo-ceramic transducer. I mean, the problem is that eventually what happens if you have too much voltage going into the speaker, it reaches what is known as the Curie temperature. Here, forget about it.
Yes.
You won't be able to create a standing wave. Of course, they were totally wrong, because in a sphere we get much more.
And we have this like
it's like an acoustic lens. We really can focus the sound. We
like
really get
in
so much more
power
just from the shape.
It's bouncing from it's so much more
and
random
also,
than
like, if you look, this is a lens. They used to have it in front of the television, so it also magnifies what's happening.
Thanks so much, guys.
You're
Thanks very much.